everybody. So today I am making snow day soup. We woke up and there was snow on the ground, so I thought this is a delicious, it's quick and easy to put together. It can simmer till you're ready to eat it. It's got some delicious sausage and pasta, so kids are gonna love it. Actually, kids could help you make it. So what it is we're gonna start by sauteing some onion. I don't have my Tuscan herb with me, so it's going to be a long couple weeks. But I've got a single varietal, so I'm gonna saute my onions in that. I'm gonna deglaze with some of the 12-year white. If you don't have 12-year white, you can use the oregano, you could use the thyme, you could use the herbs of Naples even, so lots of options there, just something herby. So then I'm gonna add in some ground pork, cook that till it's done, and I'm gonna add some chicken stock, I'm gonna add some canned tomatoes, I'm going to add some cream cheese, I'm gonna add some spinach and a little bit of red wine and let that cook for about a half hour just on simmer to get it all to meld together. And then about 10 minutes before serving, I'm going to add some fresh tortellini. So we'll see how this turns out, which is just videoing. I just want to see what angle you're at. Alrighty, so my onions are sauteing, getting a little soft, and since I know they're going to cook longer, I'm just going to leave them as is. And I'm going to just deglaze my pan with some of this 12-year white. It's a really easy way to add a lot of flavor, and it also picks up all the bits and pieces that have been stuck to the bottom of your pan, so they all get incorporated into whatever you're making. Now next I will add the pork sausage, and we will saute that till it's done. So now that the meat is all browned and the onions are good to go, I'm going to add some stock. Now if you wanted to make this a vegetarian, you would just omit the pork and then just use a vegetable stock. However, I did not have vegetable stock, so we're using chicken stock. So we're going to add all of that, which is about 4 cups. And then we're going to throw in our tomatoes. And we're going to throw in about 1.5 cups of just roughly chopped. So we're going to stir and mix all this. And we can't forget about 1 cup of this to cook down with it. So now we're going to simmer this for about an hour, just on low, and the cream cheese is going to melt, and then all the flavors are going to meld together. And then shortly before serving, we'll add the tortellini and a few more spices and be good to go. Alrighty, so we've been simmering for a little over an hour. And what I'm going to do now is add the tortellini. So that'll cook briefly. And then what I also like to add is a little bit of our spices. Some Tuscan herb blend spices. And we're just gonna cook this for about 15 minutes maybe, just so the tortellini gets cooked. And then we'll be ready for dinner.